Hi, my name is Janice and I'm the creator of Page a Day Math. Page a Day Math is a step-by-step math facts learning system designed to engage children 3 to 9 years old. This system is easy for parents and fun for children. Every book stars the adorable Math Squad dogs. Mo, Joe, Flo, Bo, and Zoe introduce math exercises that build fluency and math handwriting. This program builds upon one new math fact a day with 5 to 10 minutes of practice. Each colorful series includes 10 to 13 books devoted to a fundamental math operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Every book is designed to fit easily into a child's hand and contains 14 days of practice dedicated to a range of math facts. Children consistently finish books and are rewarded with a sense of achievement. The encouraging Math Squad is always nearby, sharing jokes and cheering your child every step of the way. Each page ends with an additional completion star to color, and every book ends with a unique certificate to personalize. When my daughter was in 2nd grade, she came home in tears. She was convinced she wasn't smart after being placed in the lowest math class. I met with her teacher and discovered that my daughter didn't know her math facts well. Her placement test showed a lack of fluency in that essential foundation. But rather than prescribe additional practice, her teacher whispered to me, I wasn't good at math either. And she labeled my 6-year-old daughter as a poor math student. I really couldn't believe it. So I went home and I created makeshift worksheets for my daughter. She caught up, excelled, and tested into the highest math class the following year. This had a huge impact on her confidence. She really was a math person. At such a young age, a little daily practice propelled her ahead of the students who weren't getting the same kind of regular review. This experience inspired me to become a math tutor, volunteer math teacher, and eventually a full-fledged math teacher for 5th and 6th grade. As a teacher, I saw the painful and stressful results of students struggling with the basic math facts, fluency. A weak foundation made each new grade advancement so much harder than it needed to be. After speaking with teachers and principals and parents all over the country, these 3 issues came up repeatedly. Areas in need of more practice were not identified early. Parents were unaware of how much practice was needed at home, and parents simply did not know what to do. After years of personal experiences as a parent, math tutor, and teacher, I believe that everyone can be a math person, and that a little practice each day goes a long way. With Page a Day Math, a page a day goes a long, long way.